Gaurav Dogra IPS. I'm Additional SP Operations Imphal West. This press bite is related to the update in one of the missing cases of Chesham Abdul Qadir. During further investigation in the case, it was revealed that the person has already died and was buried somewhere. In the morning today, the body was exhumed in presence of forensic team, executive magistrate, and the family members, while complying with all the necessary formalities. I would like to mention here that an FIR was already registered in the case and 9 arrests have already been made so far. Efforts are being put in by the district police to identify the other people who were co-accused and arrest them very soon. Meanwhile, we request all the people in the locality and everywhere else to please cooperate with district police so that we can speeden up the efforts to arrest the accused person. Thank you.
Sport from Judo on MLA Sulakuna, Young Sinclair, Sagai or Action Lokan Haina, one of MLA one way, MLA Horizon Locana, Honga Pondolami. This ability over Soina Langaki, Social Welfare Department, Megi, Makada Su, Chantan Kongiva, Misat Amani, Sida, Karigidamaka, Hatoga, Pondolivino, Highway, Wahang Amadi Oili. Sport from Judo on MLA Sulakuna, Young Sinclair, Sagai or Action Lokan Haina, one of MLA one way, MLA Horizon Locana, Honga Pondolami. This ability over Soina Langaki, Social Welfare Department, Megi, Makada Su, ꯁꯦꯟꯊꯪ ꯐꯪꯂꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯁꯛ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯅꯥꯅ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯍꯥꯠꯇꯣꯛꯂꯒ ꯍꯨꯟꯗꯣꯛꯂꯤꯕꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯍꯪ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤ